Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a rare find, a quality built 4-bedroom bungalow house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. So this property has a spacious lot area of 252 square meters and a floor area of approximately 200 square meters. And we're excited to show you. Let's go! Through the pedestrian gate, you have a landscape garden here to your right. You have these steps leading to the side of the house. And you see that you have a nice view of greenery here and a relaxing view upon entering the home. On the left side, upon entering the pedestrian gate, you immediately have a spacious carport area for 2 vehicles. You have a combination of tiles and gravel wash, a nice high ceiling with a wooden design. You already have access to the circuit breakers right here. And an additional security gate leading to the service area, which we will explore later. You also have a grand main door right here. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. The first thing that I noticed here is the high ceiling. This is easily at least 9 feet high. And you also have a nice modern light fixture here, a feature wall. You can have your television set right here with additional storage. And I love this large window right here to maximize the morning light because the afternoon sun is on this side and then the morning sun is coming in from this side. So you can have a sofa set right here, and then your television here. And here's another great feature of this area. You have a sliding partition. So you can have this completely closed off, especially if you were watching a movie and then you have a different gathering in the dining area. And what I like about this is that it's so smooth and easy in terms of the mechanism. It folds very smoothly. And now, from your main living area, let's now take a look at your dining space. Now, your dining space already has a split type LG branded inverter air conditioning unit. And you also have windows on 2 sides, giving you plenty of light and ventilation. And I love the accent light around the dining space. And this is a large area. You could even have a table for up to 10 people here. And plenty of space left over for example, an additional table on this side or even an additional display table right here. The flooring is also a marble design in large format as well. Easy to clean. And of course, from your dining space, you have your modern kitchen. What I love about this kitchen space is, number one, the island countertop. I love that An additional wooden design was added here to give that addition of warmth on top of the modern look. The white laminated cabinet is also a great touch with these semi-clear cabinetry also. And you have a stainless steel sink on this side and a Laddermania range hood and induction cooktop. You also already have a Laddermania oven and a Samsung microwave and a Samsung branded double-door refrigerator. The island countertop is also maximized by having storage also. And you already have stainless steel pull-outs right here. So these are great additions. And even a built-in waste bin. So that's great because you get to keep the aesthetic as well while having the functionality. I love how uncomplicated and free-flowing the design is. If you want a house that's just a single level, if you're coming from a large home and want a manageable home, this is a fantastic find, especially for people who are in their senior years and they don't want to go up and down stairs. This is a great find. Okay. And from your well-organized main kitchen, you also have an auxiliary space. So you have a service gate here leading to the parking area. And then this entire space is already covered. And then you have an additional sink space. You could potentially have an additional stove here in the future, or even a refrigerator. And then you can walk all around this side of the house to the corner. This is a tiled space, so there are plenty of things that you can do here. You can have additional potted plants here for decoration. And then this area can potentially have your laundry space. You could have your washing machine, washer, dryer in this area because it's also covered. And you have your water pump here, and here you have your staff room. Okay. It can easily fit a single bunk bed or even a double bunk. And then you also have a bathroom for your staff. I like how well designed it is. Floor to ceiling tiling as well. This house makes touring so easy. It really speaks for itself in terms of the spacing. It's very relaxing as well, lots of ventilation. You can feel the breeze flowing through this area coming from the parking space. And now we're back. I love this large blank wall here because this is fantastic for having a mirror or even a large family portrait or artwork. And I like that there's still a very subtle shadow line added to add depth to the ceiling space. Once again, I just want to point out the ceiling height of the entire area. Here's another perspective. Fantastic. Okay? And you also have natural narrowwood flooring here, leading to the bedroom spaces. Okay? So let's begin with the primary bedroom on this side. I love the color tone of the wood. It feels very warm and it complements the wooden doors as well in terms of the aesthetic. And what's nice is even if there's a step up from the dining and kitchen space, the ceiling height is still quite significant. And then you have a lot of space here for possibly even a king-sized bed. So you can have your bed here or on this side and then have a television set on either side. You also already have a dual inverter split type air conditioning unit with an LG brand installed and an ensuite bathroom. Wow! In terms of the space, this is very well planned. You have 4 parts. You have your bathtub right here, and then your shower area, and your water closet, and your sink space. And I like that it has this unique mirror that's lighted, and it even has a clock. And then you can even change the lighting from a white light to a warmer light. So very well planned, and you also have adequate ventilation, and it even has an exhaust fan as well. So very elegant, modern, and fits with the aesthetic of the rest of the home. And then you have additional storage here. I love that you have a full-length mirror because it adds also to the size of the room. And then you have a closet space right here, once again with a full-length mirror. Very well built, smooth mechanism. And another nice aspect here is you have the option to potentially change the level of these shelves. So that depends on how you want to use them or what you want to put here. Or if you want to store something bigger or you want to rearrange. So very well thought out. So going through everything. It's important to go through every part of the house also because buying a home is an important life decision and you want to make sure that it's shown to you properly. And right here you have your second room. Nice. This room has a unique feature in terms that it has its own private patio space. So this is a nice private area for your second bedroom. This is spacious enough to have a table, a couple of chairs, a nice reading nook, and it's partially covered. And it gives you access to the front of the house. The community is secure, but you still have an additional security gate here. Just as an added feature, and then this leads to the side of the house. So if this is your bedroom, you can already go through here. And then you have a screen that's just about to be installed. And on this side, you have a shared bathroom because this is a shared bathroom between the second and third rooms. So let's take a look. The modern aesthetic can still be seen here. You have a window, exhaust fan, even a wooden accent behind the mirror. Everything is well organized. In Tagalog, the feeling of this home is it's very magaan and very maaliwalas. And I can just imagine once you come out of your bedroom, you have an elevated view of your dining area and kitchen space. So that's a nice experience. Okay? And right here you have your third bedroom. So in terms of the size, of course, the largest room is already the master bedroom or primary bedroom. But functionally, this is still very usable. You could have even a semi-double bed or a single bed here. And it has plenty of ventilation through the large window, and it has a window type air conditioning unit already. And of course, through here, you have your fourth bedroom. Now, in terms of the size, this has a different size from the other rooms, but what makes this different is it has an ensuite bathroom. And this is also a great setup if you want a home office. I can imagine having a desk setup right here and your computer setup on this side. Great also, for example, if you have a work from home setup and this can be like a room for teleconferencing also. And here is the ensuite bathroom. Alright, so in terms of the usability of the home, this is great for newlyweds, families who are looking to move up from a condominium or a townhome, for families and empty nesters who are looking for a home that's a single level and you're coming from a large home, because you still have a significant large lot size of 252 square meters. And the rooms are very usable in terms of a home office space. The rooms can also be used as entertainment rooms, or if you don't need all of the rooms, one can even be a large walk-in closet space. So it's up to you how to maximize it, but what's nice is you have 4 rooms on top of your staff room. And once again, such an open and welcoming layout. Let's take a look once again at your living space. And that caps off our quick house tour. Want to know more about this quality built 4-bedroom bungalow house and lot for sale here in BF Homes, Paranaque City, you can get in touch with us through our email number in the description below. You can also send us a message and follow us to Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.